Hi guys, this is Shakil Pulan here to discuss about a great topic that is struggle. Struggling in life plays a wonderful role to achieve whatever you want. Struggle means to continue your efforts to achieve whatever you want in life. Keeping the struggle and moving forward is the best way to achieve what you want. The most successful people in the world, they have struggled and achieved whatever their desires were. Today, if you want to achieve success, if you want to live in a wonderful life, if you want to be one of the most famous personality in the world, so you have to struggle for whatever your desire are. If me, who doesn't struggle for a successful life, for a best career, see what is struggling, keeping the efforts for a successful future is the best way to achieve your destination. Everyone in the world is busy in different sort of struggle. Like a student who is struggling to achieve first position in the class, a teacher who is struggling to educate the nation, a filmmaker is busy or struggling to produce a wonderful film and provide a great message to the generation. A scientist is busy struggling to invent something new. A writer struggles to bring reforms in the society, and they are considered the knowledge spreaders. They spread the knowledge in the complete world. An intellectual serves philosophical knowledge and thoughts to everyone, and the social activists are busy struggling to bring reforms in the society. As a result, the accomplishment of achievements, desires, goals, and destination is all due to the struggle the people had maintained. So, never be disappointed and discouraged when you fail, when you couldn't accomplish whatever you desired for. Keep struggling, keep the struggle, and keep going on. You will achieve whatever you exactly want in your life. Struggle makes you successful. Struggle makes you creative. Struggle makes you an intellectual to serve the nation, to serve the world. So keep struggling,